by number 28, Raimundo. Number 3, Almendral fires, no good. Gaba, a foul by number who's foul left? To Encina fires. It's good by number 11, Encina. Francisco goes inside. Jalen Maywood, but there's a foul coming from number 77, Malaluan. Number 77, personal foul. First throw by number 1, Francisco. No good. Last throw by number 1, Francisco. Happy viewing po kay Coach Owel Magtuba ng Green Team. Number 25, Bragada to number 28, Raimundo. Time remaining 9 and 20. Score natin 39-22. Bragada spin, fouls. A traveling violation by number 25, Bragada. Number 3, Almendral has the ball. Setting the play for red team. Almendral goes inside 6 and fires. Lucky bounce by number 3, Almendral. The score 39-24 in favor po din ng mga nakaputi. Sanggalang to number 77, Malaluan to number 28, Raimundo. 12 seconds to shoot. Raimundo for a long three. No good. Rebound number 91 to number 2, Almendral to number 1, Francisco Jelly. It's good. By number 1, Francisco. Number 4, Sanggalang fake. Sanggalang goes inside tires. Easy 2 points by number 4, Sanggalang. Number 1, Francisco. Score natin 41-26. Bumulo pa na ang kalamnahan ng mga nakaputi. Francisco. A foul by number 4, Sanggalang. Time out. The ball.
Taga-video sir, no?
Number 25, Bragada. To number 4, Sanggalang. To number 77, Malaluan. To number 19, Alberto all alone. It's good. By number 19, Alberto. Time out. Red team. Tumating na ang shooter ng red team, Reyes. Number 28, Raimundo. To number 4, Sanggalang. Time remaining 7 and 18. Score natin 45-27. 18-point lead of White team. Bragada fires. No good. Number 3, Almendral to the Lion. Tumingin pa sa kalaban. Sanggalang haras by number 3, Almendral. Sanggalang to number 77. Is still by same ball. Bragada to Sanggalang. No good. Rebound Morado to number 3. Is still by number 4. A foul by number 3, Almendral. Number 3. Number 3, Almendral. Warning for foul out. Bragada to Raimundo. It's good. By number 28, Raimundo. Bulian to number 1, Francisco nagpapadali. Francisco spin. Pull up jumper. It's good. By number 1, Francisco. Score 47 31. Alberto loses the ball. Play ball. Time remaining 6 and 23. Bragada to number 77. No good. Rebound 77. A foul by number 91. Sanggalang number 91. First personal foul. Inbound number 28, Raimundo to Alberto Porte. To strong rebound, Sanggalang put back, no good. But there's a foul by number 91. Number 91, second personal foul. Raimundo, no good. Rebound Raimundo. Offensive foul to number 28, Raimundo, number 28. Second personal foul. Number 1, Francisco. Francisco is the number 30, Alberto to number 4, Sanggalang. That's good. By Sanggalang, number 71, Morado to number 1, Francisco. Francisco to Reyes fake. Reyes for 3. Airball rebound to number 4, Sanggalang to number 77. No good. Rebound number 77. Power play. Wag lang titingin dito. Number 71. Morado. Score natin 51-31. 20 na ang hinahabol ng mga Red Boys. Number 1, Francisco. 10 seconds to shoot. Francisco. A white ball. Sabi ko na.
77.
Number 14, Albuin. And number 77 out.
Hindi mo kay Kapko.
Number 19, Alberto. To number 28, Raimundo. To number 19, Alberto. Alberto to Raimundo fake. Raimundo for 3. Strong. Rebound number 18. To number 71, Morado. No good. Rebound. Number 25, Bragada. Binababa bola. Bragada. To number 19, Alberto. Basket count. There's a foul by number 71, Morado. Number 71. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Red team. Tago mo na lang yung kumano. Number 18, De Leon. Time remaining 4 and 45. Before the end of the first half, number 1, Francisco. Francisco dribbling the ball. Francisco to Reyes for 3. So good. Rebound. White basketball. And number 28, Raimundo. To number 1, Francisco. Francisco lilipad. No good, but there's a foul. Coming from number 19, Alberto. Number 19, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. White team. Substitution. Last draw. It's good. To number 1, substitution. Number 13, Capo in. And number 28. Sino nga? Number 4, Sanggalang goes inside, loses the ball. Sanggalang fake to Raimundo. No good, but there's a foul coming from. Who's foul that? Number 18. Number 18, De Leon. Third personal foul, penalty. Galingan mo daw, Benigno, sabi ni Ate Bianca. Nanonood sa live. At shout out kay RJ Lord. Kumandang. See you later. Number 18 po na yun. Torreyes. To number 1, Francisco. Oras ka number 14. Francisco goes inside. A foul by number 14. Number 14, warning for resentment Akol. Sige ka. Penalty. Sayang. 3 score 3 na sana. Penalty tayo. Shoutout kay Jan Lati Casabuena. Tumulong ka naman. Number 8, 28, try Mundo. Number 21, Nagada, time remaining 4 and 5. Kapwa. Nothing but net. Favorite move by Kapwa. Number 1, Francisco. Fake to Telio to Morado. It's good. And number 71, Morado. Sanggalang goes inside fires. No good, but there's a foul by number 71. Number 71. Third personal foul. Penalty. Okay na. Nasa good year na nito. Natin mo muna. Number 71 to number 1, Francisco spin. Francisco Bulat Siapar using the glass. Francisco. Kapit number 28, Raimundo Fake. Time remaining 3 and 30. Number 28, Raimundo for 3. Shot. Rebound number 25, Brangada Paz. No good. Rebound Sanggalang put back. No good. Rebound number 1. Sinong foul red? Foul number 25, Brangada number 25. Third.